My name is David Ferrugia, and I heard of this law group. Actually, you're all over the internet.
I learned about Van Horn by doing some investigation, and then I had a meeting here. And once I had the meeting, I asked a lot of questions, and I met some people. I was sure that I was in the right place.
It was a good experience because they treated you real fairly and nice, and I felt more comfortable coming in. I did,
I lost most of my money during the pandemic because I made a mistake. I invested too much in oil.
And I was in a situation in which I needed an attorney that would help me out because I was getting sued through a merchant, a company, an account that I had.
And COVID actually put me out of business.
I was like, oh my God, the pandemic is going on and I am not employed right now. I'm just 3 payments behind. These people have really overdone their number.
I have been a licensed painting contractor for more years than I can remember, and mostly did all interior on Fort Lauderdale Beach from Las Olas to Hillsborough, actually.
The only option I had then was to come here to Van Horn. I felt more comfortable coming in. I did, and it was a good experience because they treated you real, all of them were very helpful, made me feel much better than when I walked into the door. I felt more comfortable, more at ease, and that's what saved me from losing my home during January. I would have lost my home. I would have had nowhere to live and nothing, nowhere to go.
And I think, once you go through, it's not easy, but once you go through and realize what's going on, it's a fantastic step because it's a second chance. In other words, a bankruptcy is a way to make you honest again, because I am able to do what I want to do now with a clean slate again.
Everyone they make you feel comfortable. Just talking to someone about your financial difficulties takes a lot of stress off you in general. I have only good things to say about Van Horn and the people that work for him, because let's face it, the people who work for this law group are the people that make the group.
The group was very concerned and they very interested in my person, not only as a client, but in my personal well-being.
And we went over everything, and he explained to me why I had to do a chapter 13 in reference instead of a chapter 7. But yeah, Van Horn, everybody I've met and talked to through this situation I'm going through has been very helpful, very caring.